So I decided it's time for an upgrade on my surge protector for my RV. Let's go with this one. This costs quite a bit more, but it does have additional features like under voltage and over voltage protection, which my current one does not do. But more importantly, now I can Bluetooth this to my phone so I can actually see how much current I'm drawing and what power I'm needing to provide all the things I'm running in my RV. So it gives me an idea when at some point, maybe in the future, I want to go to solar power. But more importantly, I want to try and run this with generators. I'm going to try 2 small little portable generators and see what I can get away with just one and what I can get away with both of them. Big box. This is what we're talking about. This is an additional feature now that I can secure this with this piece of metal so I can lock it so someone can't walk away with it. Quite a difference in size between the Surge Guard basic surge protector and the Power Watchdog. So my electrical connection now is basically sitting on the ground. I'm not a big fan of this. There's gotta be a better way I can maybe set it up a little higher on something. And I'll probably take care of that. The other thing I don't like about it is this screen is so bright. I gotta come up with a way to fix this bright screen because it lights up so much at night. So to solve that bright screen, I went to Walmart, the automotive section, and just got some window screen tint. So I'm gonna cut this to size and cover up that big dog's face. Try to reduce the brightness of that display. Now here's a real advantage I think about having one of these types of devices now. It's Bluetooth to my phone. So now with my phone, I can see that how much power I'm actually consuming. So if I go inside and turn on different things, I can figure out how much power it's using. This will help me with trying to figure out what kind of generator systems I'm going to want to use, what kind of solar power system I'm going to use, what kind of battery bank I'm going to need to provide power for the things I use. There we go. I'm going to turn off one of these lights and you'll be able to see how much power change. Give it a second. So the more interesting one though would be turning on the air conditioner and see how much it changes. There's a compressor just kicked on. Of course, the obvious one I could have done is just climb up there and look at the plates on the air conditioner and see what it says for its power consumption. But I don't know, I like this better. I can actually see real numbers. Alright, so it's on there. Kind of hard actually to cut a nice small square. I think that's going to definitely darken the screen so it's not so bright at night when the light comes on. Put some leveling blocks underneath. Try and get my electrical connections a little bit higher. As long as it doesn't rain more than 4 inches, should be okay. So I really like the Watchdog, but it is really bright. So I'll have to get something to kind of dim down that screen. One layer of the film on the Watchdog Surge Protector seems to be working a lot better. It's not quite as bright.